Good morning, all of you. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. So let's start the today's class. In today's class, we will revise the chapter number 1. The name of chapter is Numbers up to 100. And we will revise the topics of chapter 1 in notebook today. Okay. So bring out your notebooks quickly. Hurry up. And write the date and day on your notebooks first. Date is 5/5/2021 and day is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Done? Or you have written the date and day? Good. So first of all, in this chapter, we have already done this chapter. The first of all, in exercise 1A, there are the sums expanded form of numbers. So you have to write the same questions which ma'am is writing on the board. Okay. So start writing with me. Number 1 is expanded form of numbers. Expanded form of numbers. So the first example is I am making circles and you have also do the same in your notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have two bunch of 10 circles, means 1 10 and another 10. Here we have 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are only 5 ones. So we have 2 tens plus 5 ones. Okay, you all have understand? समझ आ रहा है सबको? This is a bunch of 10 circles. So this is called 1 tens. This is again 1 10. So here we have 2 tens. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 ones. 5 ones. So 2 tens plus 5 ones. 2 tens means 20 plus 5 ones means 5. So 20 plus 5, 25. What is the answer? 25. Again, next example we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, do in your notebooks quickly. Make these 10 circles. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. These all are tens. So we have how many tens we have? 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 ones. So we will write here 3 tens plus 3 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 3 ones is equal to 3. 30 plus 3. So the answer is 33. Done? Do quickly. Okay, the second thing in your book is number names. Number 2. Number names. Done. Now we will do number names. 2, 9, 12, 16, 25, 28, 34, 49, 50 and 46. Write the same numbers in your notebooks. And now we will write the number names. Okay, you have to tell me the spelling of number names. Okay, 2. What are the spellings of 2? How we will write 2? Yes, T. Very good. T. Yes, W. O. Very good. Well done. T W O. 2. Very good. 9. 9. N. I. N. E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Very good. Next number is 1, 2, 12. And what are the spellings of 12? Yes. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. Next is 16. How we will write 16? Yes, tell me quickly. Very good. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. The next number is 50. 50. 50. So how we will write 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Good. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. F-I-V-E. 5. 25. 28. Next number is 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 28. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 28. 34. 34. Doing? कर रहे हैं ना सभी? Good. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 34. 49. 49. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. N-I-N-E. 9. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. N-I-N-E. 9. 49. 46. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-I-X. 6. 46. Done? Let's do a quick revision of these number names again. 2. T-W-O. 2. Yes, speak with ma'am. T-W-O. 2. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. T-W-E. L-V-E. 12. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. F-I-F-T-Y 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. F-I-V-E 5. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. E-I-G-H-T 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 28. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-O-U-R 4. 34. F-O-R-T-Y 40. N-I-N-E 9. 49. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-I-X 6. 46. Done? Very good. Okay, now we will do what comes after. Number 3 is what comes after. Number 4, what comes before. And number 5 is what comes between. What comes after, before, and between. 3, 9, 28, 59, 83. We have these numbers and we have to write the next number which comes just after this number. Okay. What comes after means that number which comes just after the first number. जो पहले number से just after means next number होता है, that is called after number. So here we have numbers 3, and what comes after 3? What is the next number of 3? Yes, 4. Very good. 9. Next number is 10. Very good. 9, 10. Means 10 comes after 9. Okay, 2, 8, 28. What comes after 28? 28. And the next number is 29. 59. 5, 9, 59. And the next number is 50. No. What comes after 59? 60. Very good. 60. 83. 83. And the next number of 83. What comes after 83? 84. Good. Done. Okay, next we will do what comes before now. 7, 24, 36, 59, 86. The numbers are written on the board. You have to write the same numbers in your notebooks. Quickly, hurry up. Write the numbers. Done? Good. Now start with what comes before. 7. What comes before 7? What are the before numbers? that numbers which come just before that number, which is here we have written 7. And what is the before number of 7? 7 से पहले कौन सा number आता है? When we speak the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number comes before 7 is 6. 6. The next is 24. 24. And before number of 24 is 23. What comes before 24? Just before 24, 23. Okay, 36. And before, what comes before 36? 35. Good. 59. And what comes before 59? 59 से पहले क्या लिखते हैं हम? Yes, 58. Good. 58. 86. 86 से पहले का नंबर 85. Good. Okay, now we will do what comes between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have to write the number which comes between 1 and 3. दो नंबर के बीच में जो नंबर आता है that is called between number. So 1 और 3 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 1, 2, 3. So बीच का नंबर between number है 2. 2, 3, 23 and 2, 5, 25. 23 and 25. Between number is, yes, 23, 24, 25. 24. 72 and 74. What comes after 72 and before 74? 73. 66 and 68. 66, 67, 68. 67. In 93 and 95. 93, 94 and 95. Done? Do it quickly. Now we will do the next question number 6. Right. Put the correct sign. Put the correct sign from which we have these 3 signs. These are the signs of comparison. So we have to do the comparison in between two numbers. Write these numbers also, 24 and 46, 83 and 38, 44 and 44, 56, 23, 92, 14, 16, 12, 18, 20, 24, 24. Write down in your notebooks. Hurry up. Very good. Done. Okay. So the first is 24 and 46. We have to see the digit which is placed on tens place. So this is tens and this is tens. So we have number 2 and 4. Which is the greater number? Which comes first when we speak the counting, when we write the counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number comes first? 2 or 4? 2. So the 2 is smaller number and 4 is greater number. So the greater one is 46 and 24 is smaller number. So we will put the sign like this. Okay. 83 and 38. Again we will look at the tens placed number 8 and 3. Here the 3 is smaller and 8 is greater number. So the 83 is greater. So we will put the sign like this. 44 and 44. The both numbers are same, means equal. So we will put the sign of equal. 56 and 23. Which is greater number? 56 or 23? Very good. You all are intelligent. 56 is greater. Very good. 92 and 14. Which number is greater? 1 and 9. Which is greater one? Very good. 92 is greater number. Okay, here we have two numbers again, 16 and 12. The both digits which are placed on tens place are same. So we will look at the digits which are placed on ones place. दोनों डिजिट जो टेंस वाले प्लेस पे है सेम है. देन वी विल सी कौन सा डिजिट देखेंगे जो वंस के प्लेस पे है. दैट आर 6 and 2. And which number is greater, 6 or 2? Good. 16 is the greater number. Now here 18 and 20. Which is greater number? Which number is showing more objects? If we have 18 candies and someone have 20. So which number is showing the more candies? 18 or 20? 20. Good. So 20 is greater number. Which number shows the more objects is greater number, and which number shows the less objects is smaller number? 24 and 24. So both are same. So means equal. We will put the sign of equal here. Done? Very good, my dear students. I hope you all understand these all topics. Revise these topics at your home again. Bye-bye. Take care. We will meet in our next video. Bye-bye.